Living your dream. A desire-fueled journey to wealth. This is your roadmap to not just financial success but also to a life of purpose and fulfillment. It's a profound exploration of the boundless potential that resides within you and the incredible power of your desires. Discover the art of setting clear financial goals, the importance of cultivating passion, and the strategies to overcome financial fear. This is your gateway to unlocking the wealth you've always dreamt of, fueled by your deepest desires. Number 1. The role of desire in achieving wealth. The magnetic force that ignites the path to prosperity. Your desires are the fiery catalysts that propel you forward on this thrilling journey. Picture them as the compass guiding you through the maze of financial success. Your desires create a relentless determination that fuels your actions and propels you beyond limitations. They are the driving force behind innovation, the root of resilience, and the very essence of your ambitions. Remember that your desires have the power to transform dreams into wealth-generating realities. Harness this power, let it burn brightly within you, and watch as it leads you to the riches you've always envisioned. 2. Setting clear financial goals. Picture your goals as guiding lights on your financial voyage. They provide direction, purpose, and a destination for your dreams. By crafting specific and time-bound goals, you create a roadmap to your desired prosperity. These goals are the building blocks of your wealth plan, allowing you to break down grand visions into actionable steps. They fuel your motivation, acting as beacons of progress. As you set these goals, remember that they are the blueprints for your wealth masterpiece, and the more clarity you infuse into them, the more likely you are to realize your financial dreams. So define your objectives with precision, align them with your desires, and watch as they propel you towards the abundance you've always craved. 3. The importance of passion in wealth creation. Passion is the dynamic force that fuels the engine of wealth creation. It's the burning desire deep within that turns ordinary actions into extraordinary achievements. When you're passionate about your financial pursuits, work transforms into a labor of love and challenges become stepping stones to success. Your enthusiasm becomes contagious, attracting opportunities and like-minded individuals into your orbit. It propels you to persist in the face of setbacks and ignites the creativity needed to innovate in your wealth journey. In essence, passion is the secret sauce that makes wealth building an exhilarating adventure rather than a mundane task. Embrace your passions, infuse them into your financial pursuits, and watch as they propel you toward the riches you've always envisioned. 4. Identifying your unique talents and skills. A cornerstone of your path to prosperity. Recognize that each of us possesses a set of innate abilities, skills, and talents waiting to be discovered. These are the unique assets that can set you on a trajectory towards financial abundance. By introspectively identifying your strengths, you'll unveil the tools needed to excel in your chosen wealth-building endeavors. Talents are the raw materials from which you'll craft your financial success story. Moreover, when you align passions with your innate abilities, you create a potent combination that propels you forward with unwavering determination. Take the time to explore your inner treasure trove of talents, for within them lies the key to unlocking the wealth you've always dreamt of. Harness these strengths, nurture them, and channel them towards your desired financial destination. Your unique abilities are the secret sauce that sets your journey apart and paves the way for unparalleled wealth creation. 5. Crafting your wealth-building vision. Your vision serves as the guiding map that leads you through the labyrinth of wealth creation. It's the vivid mental picture of your prosperous future, meticulously sculpted by your desires and ambitions. When you craft it with utmost clarity, this vision becomes a magnetic force pulling you towards your wealth goals. Visualizing success is not a passive exercise, it's an active act of growth. Your vision is the foundation upon which your wealth plan is built, inspiring unwavering determination in the face of challenges. It fuels your daily actions, transforming ordinary routines into deliberate steps toward financial abundance. Invest time in honing your vision, refine it as you grow, and let it serve as the driving force propelling you toward the wealth you've always envisioned. 6. Developing a wealthy mindset. Your mindset is the fertile soil in which your financial dreams take root and flourish. It's the mental framework that determines how you approach money and opportunities. When you cultivate a wealthy mindset, you invite prosperity into your life. It's about embracing abundance as your birthright and banishing limiting beliefs that hinder your financial growth. A wealthy mindset empowers you to see challenges as stepping stones, setbacks as lessons, and wealth as a holistic concept encompassing financial, mental, and emotional well-being. So nourish your mindset daily with positivity, gratitude, and a belief in your ability to create wealth. Embrace abundance in your thoughts, actions, and decisions, and watch as it transforms your life into a manifestation of your deepest desires. 7. Creating a personalized wealth plan. Your wealth plan is the guide that directs you through the dynamic terrain of financial success. It's a meticulously tailored roadmap that aligns your goals, resources, and actions towards your desired prosperity. Your plan serves as the bridge between where you are today and where you aim to be financially. It encompasses budgeting, saving, investing, and debt management, all customized to your unique circumstances and dreams. With a well-crafted wealth plan, you establish a clear direction, set milestones, and track progress. It empowers you to adapt to changing circumstances and seize opportunities along the way. Craft your personalized wealth plan with precision, continually refine it as you evolve, and let it be the guide that leads you towards the wealth you've always envisioned. Step into a world where financial dreams become reality. Unlock the keys to success with BraylenAV.com. Subscribe now and start your journey towards financial mastery. 8. Taking action, your first steps towards wealth. Action is the dynamic catalyst that transforms dreams into reality, and your first steps are the foundation of your financial ascent. It's about making deliberate choices and executing them with unwavering determination. Your initial actions are like seeds planted in the soil of your desires, and with nurturing care they sprout into the wealth you envision. Start by setting up a savings account, developing a budget, or researching investment options. As you gain momentum, your confidence grows and you'll find yourself taking bolder steps towards your financial goals. Remember, action is the bridge that connects your aspirations to achievement. Seize the moment, take those first steps, and let them propel you towards the wealth you've always envisioned. 9. The art of saving and budgeting. Saving and budgeting are your practical tools for turning aspirations into tangible wealth. Think of saving as the careful cultivation of seeds for a bountiful harvest, and budgeting as the roadmap that ensures your resources are directed toward your desired goals. It's about setting financial boundaries that empower you, not restrict you. Begin by tracking your expenses and identifying areas where you can save. Establish an emergency fund for peace of mind and allocate a portion of your income to investments that will grow your wealth. With discipline and commitment, saving and budgeting become second nature, paving the path to financial security and abundance. So embrace these fundamental practices, let them shape your financial landscape, and watch as they transform your dreams into prosperous reality. 10. Investing for wealth growth. Investing is the strategic vehicle that takes your hard-earned money and multiplies it over time. It's not a gamble but a calculated journey towards prosperity. Start by educating yourself on different investment avenues, from stocks and bonds to real estate and entrepreneurship. Diversify your investments to spread risk and maximize returns. Understand that wealth isn't built overnight. It's a patient and consistent process. Harness the power of compound interest, reinvest dividends, and stay focused on your long-term objectives. Investing is not solely about money. It's about securing the future you desire, realizing your dreams, and achieving financial independence. Allow your wealth to grow, and let it serve as the catalyst for living the life you've always dreamt of. 11. Entrepreneurship, building wealth through business. Entrepreneurship is the art of creating value, seizing opportunities, and crafting your own wealth narrative. Turning your passions, talents, and ideas into thriving ventures that not only generate income, but also fulfill your dreams. Start by identifying a market need or a niche where your skills shine. Craft a solid business plan, secure financing, and launch your enterprise with a clear vision in mind. Understand that entrepreneurship is a journey filled with challenges, but it's also a source of limitless growth and innovation. As you nurture your business, it has the potential to become a wellspring of wealth, providing not only financial security but also the freedom to live life on your own terms. Embrace the entrepreneurial spirit, Let your creativity soar and watch as it propels you towards the wealth and fulfillment you've always desired. 12. Building multiple streams of income. Diversifying your income sources is like planting multiple seeds, ensuring a bountiful harvest. By developing multiple avenues, you safeguard against financial setbacks and create a more robust foundation for your wealth journey. Start by identifying assets that can be leveraged for additional income. This might include a side business, investments, or passive income streams like royalties or rental income. The key is to align these income sources with your passions and long-term goals, allowing them to grow over time. Building multiple streams of income is taking calculated risks and constantly seeking opportunities to expand your financial portfolio. Embark on this journey, explore new income avenues, and watch as your wealth multiplies, providing you with the financial freedom and security you've always aspired to achieve. 13. Overcoming obstacles and challenges. Challenges are not roadblocks but stepping stones to growth and resilience. Embrace them as opportunities for learning and self-improvement. Understand that setbacks are part of the journey and not reflections of your worth or potential. Your ability to persevere in the face of adversity is a true measure of your determination. Cultivate a problem-solving mindset, seek advice from mentors, and adapt to changing circumstances with agility. Remember, success is often born from resilience, and challenges are the sculptors of character. So when faced with obstacles, face them head-on, extract valuable lessons, and use them as fuel to propel you forward on your path to wealth and fulfillment. 14. Maintaining motivation and persistence. Motivation is the spark that ignites your dreams, while persistence is the fuel that keeps them burning. Understand that motivation may ebb and flow, but it's your ability to persist through both highs and lows that defines your journey. Keep your passions alive by regularly revisiting goals, visualizing success, and celebrating your achievements, no matter how small. Surround yourself with a supportive network of mentors, peers, and resources to help sustain your motivation. When faced with setbacks, view them as valuable lessons that refine your path, and don't let temporary obstacles dim your long-term vision. It's persistence that turns dreams into realities, and as you maintain unwavering determination, you'll find that your journey towards wealth and fulfillment becomes an enduring and successful one. Let motivation be your guiding star, and persistence be your unwavering companion on this remarkable journey. 15. Mindfulness and wealth. Balancing life and money. Wealth isn't solely the size of your bank account. It's also the quality of life you lead. Mindfulness plays a pivotal role in striking this balance. It's the practice of being fully present in the moment, allowing you to savor life's experiences while making informed financial choices. Cultivate an awareness of your spending habits, aligning them with your values and aspirations. By practicing mindfulness, you become attuned to your financial goals and the steps needed to achieve them. Remember, wealth is using those resources to create a life of purpose, joy, and contribution. Embrace mindfulness as a companion on your wealth journey, allowing it to guide you towards a life where financial abundance and personal fulfillment coexist in perfect harmony. 16. Wealth and health, a holistic approach. True wealth extends beyond money and encompasses your health, energy, and overall vitality. Recognize that your health is your most precious asset. It's the foundation upon which all your dreams and ambitions are built. By adopting a holistic approach, you optimize both your financial and physical well-being. Prioritize self-care, nourish your body with nutritious food, and engage in regular exercise to boost your energy and mental clarity. A healthy lifestyle not only enhances your quality of life but also increases your productivity and creativity, crucial elements in your wealth-building journey. Understand that wealth is a tool for a better life, not a substitute for it. So strive for balance, integrating financial and physical health, and watch as this holistic approach propels you toward a life of abundance and well-being. 17. Wealthy habits for success. Success isn't solely about luck or circumstance. It's the daily habits that you cultivate. Begin by setting clear, achievable goals that serve as your roadmap to prosperity. Consistency is the name of the game. Establish routines that align with your objectives. Embrace the power of continuous learning, as knowledge is your greatest asset. Cultivate discipline in managing your finances, from budgeting to saving and investing. Network and build relationships, for your connections can open doors to opportunities. Above all, nurture a positive mindset. It's the driving force behind your actions and decisions. Wealthy habits are the building blocks of your success story. They transform your desires into concrete achievements. Integrate these habits into your daily life, watch them compound over time, and witness the transformation of your dreams into financial abundance. 18. Wealth and happiness, finding balance. While wealth is a worthy pursuit, it's equally crucial to find equilibrium with happiness. Understand that happiness is a journey woven into every step of your wealth-building endeavor. Avoid the trap of equating wealth with happiness alone. They are interdependent yet distinct. Seek joy in daily moments, cherish relationships, and prioritize experiences that bring fulfillment. True wealth is the ability to live life on your terms, pursuing your passions and contributing to the greater good. Creating a life where prosperity and happiness coexist harmoniously. Navigate this intricate balance, and let the pursuit of wealth be a means to a joyful and meaningful life, where your dreams are celebrated in the light of your inner happiness. 19. Navigating economic ups and downs. The economic landscape is ever-changing, with periods of growth and downturns. Understand that these fluctuations are part of the journey and provide opportunities for growth. During economic booms, leverage your financial knowledge to capitalize on investments and expand your wealth. In times of recession, adapt and prioritize financial stability. Really save, reduce debt, and explore recession-resistant investment options. A diversified portfolio can help mitigate risks during turbulent times. Success often emerges from calculated decisions during economic shifts. So equip yourself with knowledge, embrace adaptability, and navigate the economic tides with confidence, knowing that your wealth journey can endure and thrive, regardless of the economic climate. 20. Celebrating your journey to wealth. Wealth is about cherishing the milestones and experiences that shape your journey. Take time to reflect on how far you've come, from your initial aspirations to your current achievements. Celebrate both small victories and significant milestones. They are the building blocks of your success. Acknowledge the lessons learned from setbacks and failures. They are valuable stepping stones toward your goals. Share your journey with others, inspiring them to embark on their own path to wealth. Ultimately, wealth is about the growth, wisdom, and fulfillment you gain along the way. Celebrate your journey, and let it be a testament to the enduring spirit of ambition and determination that drives you toward your desires and dreams. Embarking on the path of living your dream, a desire-fueled journey to wealth, is a transformative odyssey where your aspirations ignite the flames of your destiny. It's about embracing the power of your desires, setting crystal-clear goals, and nurturing an unwavering passion for financial success. Remember, it's about the life you envision, the legacy you leave, and the impact you make. With a resilient mindset and a personalized wealth plan, you'll conquer financial fear, overcome obstacles, and build a future as bright as your dreams. As you navigate the intricacies of budgeting, investing, and entrepreneurship, keep in mind that wealth isn't a destination but a dynamic journey. Harness the strength of networking, relationships, and continuous learning to fuel your progress. Through every high and low, your perseverance and wealth-building habits will be your guiding stars. Ultimately, living your dream, a desire-fueled journey to wealth, is an affirmation that dreams are achievable, and wealth is within your grasp. Your journey to prosperity is a testament to your resilience, your character, and unyielding commitment to live life on your terms. So go forth, write your wealth story, and let your dreams guide you towards a future where financial abundance is not just a goal but a reality. You are the author of your destiny, and the world awaits your big success.